So I was going through some HackerRank problems and I came across these two interesting problems called Triangle Quest and Triangle Quest 2. Triangle Quest 1. So you get a positive integer n and you have to print a triangle of height n minus 1 that looks like this. Generally you would use a nested for loop for this, but the constraints are that you have to only use arithmetic operations, a single for loop. So that prevents us from using something like list comprehension to generate place values and then sum them like I did here, and it was not accepted. So what about using string? We can convert that I to string and then we can multiply it by I. So yeah, it does work, but we are not allowed to use it. How do you solve this then? So then I did some searching, then I came across rep units. It's a number with 1 repeated a bunch of times, and to generate it there's a formula 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9. So that's how you generate rep units. So let's implement the formula. That's 10 power n here is I, and we have to subtract 1 from it and then divide by 9. The thing is, this will give us 1 1 1 and so on, so we need to multiply this again by I to get 3 3 3 4 4 4 and so on. The output of this is float, so we need to wrap the entire thing in int to convert it into an integer. And let's run it. Task for 5, and that's it. That is how you have to solve it. We don't need this +1 here because we need to print till n minus 1. So let's get to the second problem. This is similar to Triangle Quest 1, but here it's 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1. Now the fun fact about rep units is there's these numbers called Demlu numbers, which are nothing but the squares of rep units. So when you square 11 you get 121 and so on. So let's solve it in VS Code again. Since we'll be using all of this again, let's copy this and let's go to Demlo and we'll just paste it here. We don't need to multiply with I because we just need the ones, so we'll remove that, but we need to square the numbers. Run it, and there you have it. That's Triangle Quest 1 and Triangle Quest 2. I'll drop the link for both the problems in the description below.